So it's been a while since I've posted any more information about some of the Arduino stuff I've been working on, the electronics programmable microcontroller. My last video, I had just gotten the actual Arduino board, and I've basically been sort of waiting for parts to come in to start working on some projects. Some of the stuff on the breadboard is just some random stuff I've been playing with. My next project is actually to build a variable color lamp, but I actually got these the Rbbb LEDs in from China last week, so moving forward with that project, but still waiting on a couple more parts. But what I spent about the past 30 minutes doing was actually assembling this board here. It's called a really basic Boarduino board. It's basically a way to run the code that I put on the actual Atmel 168 chip in a smaller device, basically, and it's much cheaper. The Arduino itself is basically, I use it for programming. You know, I can swap out the Atmel 168, you know, like into like this setup to actually run the code that I put onto it. This basically allows me to have a much smaller means of running the chip and cheaper. The Arduino itself is about, if you buy it by itself, it's about $35 or $40 because it has the easy ability to actually program. But this here was about, the kit was like $9 online, so it came completely unassembled. So I had to actually, you know, solder all the connections and all the bridge pins and whatnot. But it took me about half an hour to put it all together. But what I've done here is I had the Atmel chip, one of the chips in the Arduino, and programmed it with a basic blinking LED program. And here I have the fully assembled, and now the Atmel chip with that blinking program put into this board I just built. So what I can do is, I have a standard 9-volt power adapter. Now this board that I built can run off of either like a 9-volt wall adapter like this. I have it with the adapter built in, but you can also solder in like a 9-volt battery connection into it as well for power, which is probably what I'll end up doing for my applications. But so let me show you here. Since I already have the code loaded onto here, it's a matter of plugging it in. You can see the power light comes on, and as you can see, the basic 1-second blinking program is automatically run off the chip. So you can ignore the rest of this stuff on the board. It's for other little projects I have going on. But so I'm pretty excited that it's working. I was afraid that my soldering skills might kill this whole thing, because some of this soldering on this board is pretty tight. But as you can see, it is working properly and as desired. So looking forward to being able to order some more of these. You know, have this be the means of which I run some various little projects that I'm working on. So certainly keep you posted.